Hello loves, welcome back to another video where I'm giving you more of the latest updates on your favorite TV shows. Guys, generations imnandi ngentshela nina because phela siphethe uTawu Mogale and ubani konje guys, phela simazi nguHarriet siphethe noKarabo Moroka. So nje everything is just happening, okay? And also we do know ukuthi uKarabo is always there lapha kwaMoroka to fix things. Now he has to fix everything eyenziwe by her other cousin. I guess it's her cousin, and a lot is just happening. Also, ke laphana guys, kwacele, it's not nice. It's not nice at all. Like ucele feels like Ayanda wants Utawu back, or maybe he's just afraid, or it's the ego. Ukuthi nje uyasaba ukuthi they might get back together, but nje they're always fighting over Utawu and over things eziphethe. Also guys, Umelo Kuhle is having some serious nje izindabas because lalela there's this guy who is harassing her at work and no one is believing her except her friend. Her boss Umregza does not believe, but yeah, until Umbali came in to persuade Umregza ukuthi vele this is what happened. So probably Umregza will start researching about all of this situation. But anyway, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and also share if you can. Love you, loves, give a no. Bye for now.